Hey, Crucito, what's up, brother? Hey, I'm doing this video for you to explain the website design and the stuff that you should be thinking about. I know that you're trying to get your domain back, but I wanted to show you a couple things. The first thing is the website is good. You have people to go check out what you do, but for ranking purposes, I think you already have a GMB, which is Google My Business, which is this. I Google plumbing services, and this came up. These are These are paid ads. That's why they pop on the top. And then this is what they call the three pack. Okay, so this is my website, and the reason I come up like second is because I'm searching plumbing services in Camarillo. I'm sitting at my house, and the address to this Google My Business is my house, and so Google is big on local. There's an article here about this is just November 2019. They're changing their algorithm, which means that they're gonna give more um, exposure to local people that are um, relevant, and their proximity is right there where they're searching. So they want to be the yellow pages, the yellow pages. They want to be the the only search engine that gives them relevant information on their searches. And so again, the website is great, and the website works together with Google My Business. See, I have the website attached to it, and the reason it ranks and beats a lot of the guys that are down here, I'll show you in a little bit, is because I have a lot of content. Um, I have a form, I have a clickable phone number. You can just click right off your phone when you're searching. I'm using keywords that are relevant to searches, water leaks, etc. So see, I have a lot of content. I think I've got 2,000 words that I typed for this homepage. This is my channel right here. And I also have a video. I think this is you guys here. Let me see.
Well, they're
Yeah,
getting ready to
this is the video that
repair a slab leak.
this is when you guys were doing the slab leak. So anyway, so videos, you connect your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your email, you connect all your social media to your website. So again, it's important to have a good website with specific content. This one's already there, and so what I want to do with this one is add with this website is add powered by Quality Plumbing, because you guys are getting all the calls, and if anybody looks up the website, so it's congruent with who's going to go to their house. And I have this one in Oxnard. It's not ranking that well because I don't have a website to it. It's called Oxnard Plumbing Pro, and the website I have is uh, a sub page of Camarillo plumbers. It's just a sub page, but that doesn't work as well. So I also want to build an Oxnard Plumbing website and attach it to this Google My Business. And so my recommendation is that we get this thing going for Oxnard Plumbing Pro, and then also say um, powered by Quality Plumbing. Get your Quality Plumbing website up. You're already in Ventura, and you've got pretty good exposure, I think. Let me see, Quality Plumbing. I think you show up already. Is this you? No, you're not in Fillmore. Where are you? I don't think this is you, but I'll check. Oh yeah, it is you. Um, okay, cool. So this one just needs the website. You got some photos. So yeah, you got to get your website and maybe a couple more photos. So you need to optimize this a little bit more. Um, I and then I do some posts I have like three photos on mine too, so I need to optimize it as well. Uh, anyway, yeah, get your website attached to this one, and then we got to optimize this one so you rank higher when somebody's searching for you. All right, bro. Let me know. I know we talked about doing this. Let me know if you want to get it going. We're averaging about 6 to 8 calls a month, and I know you're getting like one or two or three jobs a month off the website that I've got going. So I think if you had Oxnard, I don't know how many pops you're getting on Ventura. If you got another two or three a month, you're getting two a week. And that could be some good feria for you. Um, let's talk about this, all right? Let me know what you think. Andale pues, al rato.